I don't know about this stuff. Made for the Tesla, but let's go ahead and check it out. What is going on, guys? Ride or Drive back with another one. I'm inside the house. I just got a package in. I got this stuff from Amazon. It's white pieces. These are rubber that little dress-up items that are gonna go on the Tesla. This right here is supposed to be a white cover pad for the wireless charger on the Tesla. The material is kind of soft, feels kind of cheap, but I'm going to put it on and see how it looks. So this is going to go like that on the car. Can't remember what the price of this was on Amazon. So it's a 3-piece part. So again, this is for the wireless charging pad. And then we got this piece. This piece is going to go around the actual rear view mirror to protect it. The pictures that I saw on the internet, on Amazon, and the reviews were pretty good. And then this big piece is going to conform around the screen part of the Tesla. So that's going to go like that. Again, this doesn't feel like it's the hard, like super strong rubber. This is a little bit more, feels a little bit more stiff than this one. So let's go ahead and get down to the car and put this on. And this one doesn't really feel like it's really that strong, but it may look better and it may work. My concern about this part here is that if it's going to get dirty. I don't know if it's gonna hold up to daily use, but it could be something that you could actually wash. Kind of looking for one that had like a carbon fiber feel to it, but I wanted to try the white one since my interior is white. And let me get the bag. This is a company called, I don't even know, ZYNYDEA. It's coming from Amazon. Each of these came in a bag that resembles like a sandwich bag like this. This is one of the bigger bags. But who knows, maybe this might work out. Let's go ahead and get down there to the Tesla and go ahead and put these on. I'll walk you through it. All right, guys, so we're in the Tesla, and we're gonna go with this one here first. See how it fits and how it looks. So it's supposed to be a perfect fit. There we go. And that's it. All right. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Just gotta kind of fit it in there. Yeah, so that's how it looks. It really doesn't look that bad at all. Comparing the way the white looks to the seats, it actually works out pretty good. Next one we're gonna put, I gotta figure out what direction this goes on, the mirror one. Let me get this on. So probably gonna need both hands for this one, and the screen one is just gonna go over it. The screen is just going to go over like this, and it'll protect the screen evidently. So let me get these on. I'll continue the video. Okay, guys, so this is how it's supposed to be installed on the screen protector. One side drops down lower than the other. So this is the way to install it, I guess. I mean, it looks a lot better because I had it the other direction and didn't cover most of the screen. Fitment is okay. I wish it did fit a little bit tighter, especially down here. As you can see, it kind of fits a little bit loose. My thing is, I wonder if it's gonna the rubber's gonna expand in the sun, because it is hot as hell in Arizona. I mean, you could put double-sided tape, you know, to alleviate that problem, but I'm not planning on doing that. And here's this one that you saw me installed. I wasn't sure if it was going to interfere with the charging. At first, it did not charge at all. Ended up taking off my phone case. Come to find out, it still wasn't charging, and I didn't have the feature enabled, so that's why it wasn't charging. But this does not interfere with the charging. Again, I'm wondering if this will get dirty and how easy it is going to be to clean. The fitment is good here. It's not going to slide out. It's nice. It goes into the grooves here, so it's not bad fitment. The mirror one is another story. The mirror one, I wish it would fit tighter. Again, you got to play with this to find the right fitment. Same thing as the screen. One part of it is going to kind of wrap around lower than the other. So I did find the direction where it's fitting on right. Overall, the mirror one, it's okay. You know, I don't know how long that's going to last. You get all the heat there. Again, hopefully it won't expand and start to get loose. The mirror one is okay. These two are probably the better pieces of the kit. So this kit was pretty cheap. I think it did come from China probably. Got it on Amazon. I think it was, I can't remember how much it was, but either way, I'll put the link in the description. And it does match. I like how it matches the white of my interior. As you can see, I've got the white vegan leather. I got some other mods coming in, which I'll show you in another video. So there you go, guys. Not bad of a product, pretty cheap. It does make the interior look better. I'm looking at this. This would look real good if this was white. I'm not sure how I can. I know they have little pieces that you can put overlays. Or if I wonder if there's a full replacement, like a white would look really nice on this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the road. Peace out.